In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage deals in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you're looking at, and how to keep your pipeline clean, accurate, and easy to work with. Start by opening your HubSpot account and heading to your home dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can quickly access the tools you use most and get a snapshot of your recent activity. It's a good place to begin because you can confirm you're in the right portal and that you have the permissions you need before moving into your sales data. Next, click on Deals. This takes you to the core of your sales pipeline. The Deals area shows your opportunities organized by stage, value, and priority. Depending on your preferences, you may see a board-style view with columns for each stage or a table view with rows and columns. Either way, this page is where new opportunities are created, existing ones are updated, and old or duplicate ones are cleaned up. Inside Deals, you can create deals to track potential revenue and forecast more accurately. You'll typically name the deal, associate it with a company or contact, and capture essentials like amount, close date, and stage. If you're unsure which fields matter most, focus on the details that drive forecasting and handoffs, such as deal stage, amount, expected close date, and the primary contact. Keeping those updated will make your reports meaningful and your team aligned. From this same view, you can manage ownership by assigning a deal to a specific owner. This makes accountability clear and ensures notifications go to the right person. It's helpful to align ownership rules with your team's territory or segment structure so nothing slips through the cracks. Editing deals is straightforward. When something changes, like the scope of work, the timing, or who's involved, update the deal's properties so your pipeline reflects reality. Small, frequent updates are better than big, infrequent ones. It keeps your forecast current and helps leaders spot trends early. You can also delete deals that are tests, duplicates, or no longer valid. Before you remove anything, make sure there isn't important history tied to it. If you're cleaning up, consider closing a deal as lost with a reason instead of deleting so your team can learn from the data later. Finally, remember that the deals page can be filtered and organized to match how you work. Save views that highlight the stages you care about, the owners you manage, or the time frame you need to review. With these simple habits, your HubSpot deals will stay organized, insightful, and ready to drive action.